Now it's time for interesting fact time. Do you know that you can check if your long division's answer is correct by multiplying the answer you got to the divisor? Going back to our solved division problems, we have solved 60 divided by 5, which is equal to 12, 684 divided by 4, which is equal to 171, and 1980 divided by 9 is equal to 220. So let's check if these answers are correct by multiplying the answers that we got to the divisor. If the answer of the multiplication is the dividend, then we can confirm that we did our long division correctly. So we are going to multiply the answer of the long division to the divisor. And to know if our answer to our long division is correct, the answer of the multiplication should be the dividend. So let's do 12 times 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 1 is 5, with a carry of 1. So that's 60. And this is the same with the dividend. Let's now do 171 times 4. So 1 times 4 is 4. 7 times 4 is 28. And 1 times 4 is 4 plus the carry of 2. That's 6. And we have 684, which is the same as our dividend for 684 divided by 4. And then last is 220 times 9. So 0 times 9 is 0, 9 times 2 is 18 with a carry of 1, and 9 times 2 is 18 as well, plus the carry of 1, which is 19. And there we have it. The answer to multiplying the answer of our division to the divisor is the dividend. So this confirms that our answer to our long division is correct. But why is this true? If you can remember the lesson on grid method for dividing numbers, we can see that multiplication and division are related to each other. Take 12 times 5 is equal to 60 again. So you can see that 60 divided by 5 is equal to 12 can be represented by a rectangle with sides of 12 and 5, which contains 60 blocks in it. So the answer to our long division for 60 divided by 5 was the length of one side of the rectangle that has 60 blocks in it and a side of 5 blocks long. If you found this video helpful, give us a like or a thumbs up. We will really appreciate it. Also, watch our other math help videos and playlists that we made for you. Keep on learning!